The all new 2025 model Mercedes AMG GLE53 Coupe. Listen to the sound. Oh, we can drive electric on the Autobahn. Wow. 40, 50. Hello guys, I am back today welcoming you all with this. Right in front of us, ladies and gentlemen, we have the all new 2025 model Mercedes AMG GLE53 Coupe. And as you might have already noticed, this is not a regular one because, as you have a closer look right over here, we have the plug-in hybrid version of the GLE53 and we will be testing it today. This is how the car looks in total. It looks extremely cool as a coupe. Really lovely rear finish here, facelifted. The 53 hybrid only comes with the facelift, available as both SUV and coupe version. Here we have the sporty coupe with the shorter wheelbase, giving us a way more sportier drive. This is the only hybrid AMG model, the GLE53 and the E53 from all the 6 cylinders. You can always say that it's a hybrid with these letterings. When you have the red details all around the letterings, you know that it's a hybrid AMG. On the right hand side you can fill up the 6-cylinder, the 3-liter 6-cylinder. Let me also give you a closer look on that before we start the drive. Here we go. This, ladies and gentlemen, is a 3-liter 6-cylinder AMG engine. It's actually a highly modified Mercedes engine, tuned up to 449 horsepower. And then in addition, with the electric battery and the e-drive motor that we have with this hybrid model, we have a total output of 585 horsepower. We do the 0 to 100 sprint in 3.4 seconds. Let's talk, let's start the drive. So we'll start the drive right away. The car's actually on. You can start the drive in electric. So put the car in drive, release the handbrake, and then keep rolling. Full electric, driving the GLE53 right here. But however, we will be switching the 6-cylinder. When you put in sport, you have the engine going on. In Sport Plus, we will be just revving it for you, putting both windows down. Listen to the sound. Yeah, we have a rev limit at around 4,000 RPM. It's a proper 6-cylinder 53 specific sound character, which I kind of like. I really like it. Anyways, let's start the drive. As I mentioned, this car has got now 40 kilometers of electric range. We have around about 50% of the battery charged. Yeah, it gives us 40 kilometers. So if the battery is fully charged, you get a total electric range of 80 kilometers most of the time. And you can also recharge it when driving on the Autobahn. It's pretty useful, recuperate and gain more electric range. So that's how the car drives, full electric here. You can actually set an electric driving sound here. Now you hear it. And then as soon as you push the accelerator a bit too hard, you have the engine just working seamlessly, to be honest. You see? It's pretty cool. Engine turns off again as soon as I'm driving a bit slower, and then when I floor it, you see the engine is instantly on and gives us full support here. Let me also demonstrate you the race start. It's quite okay. So we will be actually switching it to Sport Plus right here, and you hear the 6-cylinder growl. We will be making our way towards the German Autobahn now, so let's go. So unlimited here, flooring it, let's go. Did you know that the GLE53 back in the days used to be the slowest AMG that you could buy? Like 4 years ago. 0 to 100 time in 5.3 seconds. With this one, we're already doing 4.3 seconds. bit crowded here on the German Autobahn, unfortunately. The car feels heavy, yes. As soon as you actually push the brakes, you feel how the rear is actually moving towards the front and lifting a bit up. Let's go. 200. 220. 240. 50. I think that's top speed here. Sound character of the 53 is pretty cool because it gives me a quite natural sound. However, I feel like it's boosted throughout the speakers from the back actually. Anyways, I like the sound, I enjoy the sound, but the car driving is a bit wobbly, and also I don't know if that's the right term for it, but whenever I brake you feel the weight of the battery in the back, and that I think isn't the best thing. I wish they would have balanced it out with the suspension, just pushing it further down again, as for example Audi is doing. Nice, you hear the pops and bangs, really lovely sound. You can actually play with it, it's quite natural sound. I like it, I really like it, honestly. Don't think, can we drive we can drive electric on the Autobahn. Wow, 130 kilometers now. And then switch it to Sport Plus, 6 cylinders on, and there we go. Yet again, I need to brake quite early. Given the amount of weight, anyways, pushing quite good. 220. We have a Porsche Macan right in front of us. It's not the main competitor, but it's an SUV. And we ate the Porsche. 200, 20, 30, 40. That's about it.